The impacts of being part of Forest Lab has been wholly positive. It's helped improve my knowledge of our woodland, and it's helped me find out about other projects that we might become involved in. Forest Lab have made the whole process very easy, particularly for an amateur like myself, and it brings a form of education and participation in a national project that I didn't think we'd easily have when we first bought the woods. Our woodland's a small pocket of woodland that used to be part of a larger estate. It's just short of 2.5 hectares and has 3 main blocks of conifer. There are 18 Norway spruce, that's how small the pocket is. The rest of the woodland is predominantly beech and oak. There are some large noble firs further down the wood, 5, and there are other smaller species such as holly brush and holly trees, rowan, silver birch, horse chestnut, but it's predominantly an ancient beech woodland. The woodland's about 70 years old, we estimate, in terms of the conifer plantation, but the beech and oak, some of them are a lot older than that. The Norway spruce range from over 1/2 metre in diameter to less than 1/4 metre in diameter, so there's a range of sizes. We decided to take part in the project because we felt we wanted to be part of a larger stewardship. We've seen the devastation of other pests and diseases. In my childhood, I saw Dutch elm disease wreck the population in the country, and we felt that we just wanted to be a part of that and how it would help us manage our own little bit of woodland. Originally, I saw the project through the Small Woods Association, and we joined up to the initial pilot at the end of 2023. The guys helped us to set up the equipment, but they also sent through advice on how to use the software behind it. So all of the data that's collected is collected online. We submit data every 2 weeks, so we take samples from the bottom here and reload the preservative. All the samples are sent back to Forest Lab via the post, and is very, very easy. We were alerted to the fact that they discovered some Ips in the sample. They then arranged to meet me up here in the wood to investigate what the woodland looked like, how well it was managed, and they reassured us that we were doing everything, we were keeping the site clean, and that the number of Ips that were found was very low. Obviously there's an ongoing monitoring process. Anybody thinking of joining the process, I'd strongly support that and say just do it.